is Balaji Gautamar, and today's date is 28th February 2024, and today's topic name is why Java is a platform independent. How is Java platform independent? The meaning of Java platform independent is that the Java compiled code, bytecode can run on all operating systems. A program is written in a language that is a human readable language. It may contain words, phrases, etc., which that machine does not understand. For the source code to be understood by the machine, it needs to be in a language understood by machines. Typically, a machine level language. So here comes the role of a compiler. The compiler converts the high level language, human language into a format understood by the machines. Therefore, a compiler is a program that translates the source code for another program programming language into executable code. This executable code may be sequence of machine instructions that can be executed by the CPU directly, or it may be an intermediate representation that is interpreted by a virtual machine. This intermediate representation in Java is the Java bytecode. Step-by-step execution of Java program. Whenever a program is written in Java, the Java-C compiles it. The result of the Java compiler is the class file or the bytecode and not the machine's native code. Unlike the C compiler, the bytecode generated is a non-executable code and needs an interpreter to execute on a machine. This interpreter is the JVM, and thus the bytecode is executed by the JVM. And finally, the program runs to give the desired output. In the case of C or C++ languages that are not platform independent, the compiler generates a .exe file which is OS dependent. When we try to run this .exe file on another OS, it does not run since it is OS dependent, and hence is not compatible with the other OS. Why Java is a platform independent but JVM is platform dependent? In Java, the main point here is that the JVM depends on the operating system. So if we are running Mac OS X, we will have a different JVM than if we are running Windows or some another operating systems. These facts can be verified by trying to download the JVM for our particular machines. When trying to download it, we can be given a list of JVMs corresponding to different operating systems, and we will obviously pick whichever JVM is targeted for the operating system that we are running. So we can put it that JVM is a platform dependent, and it is the reason why Java is able to become platform independent. Some important points is, in the case of Java, it is the magic of bytecode that makes it platform independent. This adds to an important feature in the Java language, tempered portability. Every system has its own JVM, which gets installed automatically when the JDK is installed. For every operating system, separated JVM is available, which is capable to read the .class file or bytecode. An important point to be noted is that while JVM is a platform independent language, the JVM is a platform dependent. Different JVM is designed for different OS, and bytecode is able to run on different OS. As JVM is not platform dependent, because of which Java is not considered completely platform independent. So this is all about the why is Java platform independent. Thank you.